decision, and this is gonna be the car that I buy my dad. It's the red Z06. My dad is honestly gonna fall in love with this car. I can't wait for his reaction. Stepping, you're stepping, you're stepping, you're stepping. That's a Corvette. That's a Z06. I bought you a Z06. You fucking kidding me? Brand new, 2016. Are you nuts? I bought you this brand new car for your birthday. Happy birthday, Dad. Oh my God. You like it? We spent the entire day planning this.
I do remember sitting in the back seat, feeling like the car was so big and so strong, and having my dad and mom in the front. And I remember with my brother having to hold on tight when my dad would go around corners. My dad bought a 1965 Chevy Impala SS Super Sport with everything he had. Chevy Impala SS 396 for sale, Montreal, Quebec. My heart dropped. I called the dealer, confirmed the VIN number that it was the actual car, and bought it over the phone. Gotta give her gas. Okay, that sounds so good. I actually may be keeping this for myself.
Okay, can you do that?
That one? Yeah. Let
Really
me
low.
catch you.
Come really low. Okay, I got you. Oh no! What the hell? Dear God. That's my old Chevy.
We got it, Pop.
You're kidding me. Really?
Yeah. Come on.
Really? No.
Yeah.
God, I'm gonna have a heart attack. Where'd you get it?
We found it. We found it.
I can't talk.
I know. It's okay.
It took 5 years.
Really? Dear me.
It's all good, Dad. We found it.
Wow. Oh, they changed the mufflers. Wow. Wow, gee, I can't even believe this is for real.
Turn your magic on. To me she'd say, everything you want is a dream away. We are legends, oh, every day. What she told them.
Hey. Hey, what? Where are you?
Driving down the highway.
You almost back?
Yeah.
Okay. When you get here, I'm gonna need a hand. Real quick.
Okay.
So.
I'll be there in a couple minutes. I'm on 69 right now.
Alright. Well, I'll be waiting for you then. I can't really do anything until I can get you here.
Because I can't figure out what the hell this goes to. And I don't know.
What is that for? Where'd you find this? Find this shit? You dumb shit. What do you think? What are you thinking?
I love you.
I love you too, but you are a dumbass. I cannot believe it. You spent all your money on this?
It's been a good amount of it. You're welcome.
Thank you, you dumbass.
I know.
You are.
You realize everyone in St. Louis already knew about this.
New truck for my dad right there. Happy Father's Day.
We might just show you what it is.
Oh, with the 352.
It's the old car.
Oh,
It's your old car.
is it really?
Yep. The actual car. What's your head?
Said I can't go on, not in this way. I'm a dream, I die by light of day. I'm gonna hold up half the sky and say we are omens. I feel my heart beating. I feel my heart beating. Oh, no, you did not! Oh,
And the bike I bought my dad is the bike that he's wanted, the bike that I've wanted to buy him for a decade. A 2013 BMW K1600 GTL. Top of the line with navigation, electronic, everything, xenon headlights, wireless locking bags, everything.
This is yours.
Come on.
You got it, man.
Get rid of my car now.
What do you mean? Top of the line BMW. This is what you wanted.
Did your brother know
Here they
you were
come, the
coming?
rest
No
of
one
it.
did. Not even mom.
Nice stylish pants with armor in it. There's a shirt. That's for night riding. So
Everybody in the
performance
house
center
didn't
for
know
the
around
one
and
day
then
riders.
keep it
Oh
without
my
your limit.
God.
He was going to the house and I said, is it fluid? And no, she didn't.